Hey everyone, so this is how you draw a frog. So first you're going to start by drawing a football-like shape. So you're going to want to make this as even as possible. Then you're going to draw 2 circles right on top of that football shape. If you want, you can always add some eyelids. Then you're going to draw a straight line down and make the toes using small circles at the end. You're going to make as many toes as you'd like, but I usually do 3. And then you're going to connect it and make another one of those right on the other side. Then draw it all the way up to the football-shaped area at the beginning. Then you're going to make a wing on one side and connect it with toes, with the circles right at the end as well. Connect that to the other set of toes. After that, you're going to do the exact same thing that you just did, just on the other side to make his other hind legs. You're going to connect the 2 feet in front to make his belly. Draw a smile and some eyes, and that is all. You can do whatever you want with this frog. You could draw a yellow belly. I usually give mine orange toes because my favorite animal is a red-eyed tree frog, so you can make it your own. I hope everyone has a good day.